Hey y'all, in this video we're going to go over questions 4 through 6 from the circular motion practice problem worksheet. So in this set of problems we have an airplane circling Atlanta while it waits for clearance to land at the airport, and the radius of the circle that it's flying in is 3,200 meters, and it takes the plane about 180 seconds to make one lap around the circle. So in number 4 we're going to find the centripetal velocity of the plane. So to do that, we're going to use the centripetal velocity formula, which is centripetal velocity is equal to 2 pi r divided by the time it takes to go once around the circle. So we're going to plug in the information that's given to us, so 2 times pi, and then our radius was given to us up here of 3,200 meters. And then we're going to divide that by the time it takes it to go once around the circle, which is 180 seconds. And we're going to plug that in the calculator, and when we do that we should end up with about 111.7 meters per second, and it's meters per second because we're dealing with velocity, right? So that is number 4. For number 5, we're looking for the centripetal acceleration of the plane, so we're going to use the centripetal acceleration formula, which is centripetal acceleration is equal to our centripetal velocity squared divided by the radius. So we're going to plug in that 111.7 we just got, and we're going to square that and then divide that by the radius of 3,200. And when we do that, we're going to end up with 3.9 as our answer. And then the unit, since it's acceleration, is meters per second squared. All right. And then the last one, number 6, the plane has a mass of 350,000 kilograms, and we want to find the centripetal force experienced by the plane. So we are going to use the force formula of F equals ma. And I put C's in here so you know I'm talking about centripetal for both of those. So we're going to plug in the mass of 350,000 and times that by the acceleration we just got of 3.9. And when we type that in the calculator, we should end up with 1,365,000. And it's energy, so it's it's force, not energy. It's force, so it'll be in newtons, right? And that is how you solve these 3. Let me know if you have any questions.